Thinking about moving to the Colony, Texas? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you what $1 million can get you in the Colony, Texas. And that adventure starts now. If this is your first time to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you'll be notified of any and all changes in the market here in North Texas. My name's Frisco, and I'm with the North Texas team, or living in North Texas team. You know what? We get calls and emails every day from people like you needing help moving to North Texas, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or better yet, set up a Zoom call so we can help your transition to North Texas a smooth one. Now today we're going to go to a couple of places and show you what $1 million can get you. But before that, I'm here at one of my favorite places, Heritage Pizza and Tap Room. They have over 20 some odd beers on tap. You can get a growler for here or to go, and they have some of the best flat pizza or thin pizza around, especially here in the Colony. So let's check out the first neighborhood. Okay, so we're at the first house. This one is $1.169 million. It is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 3-car garage. It is here in the Tribute. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that the Tribute is a peninsula, water around it. This one is not on the water, but what makes it the million plus is the fact that it is 5 bedrooms. It's 4,100 square feet. Here it is behind me. This one is also on a cul-de-sac, so there's no house next to it. There's really no house on the side either. I'm going to walk over to the trail. This one is right off of a trail. And as you can see, the cul-de-sac behind us. And there is just like a green belt next door to it. And as you can see, I'm walking the trail. There's a trail right here next to it. So you have this nice green belt area. Sorry, it's not as green as it normally would be. It is winter. We did have some snow not too long ago. But as you can see, it has this really nice trail next to it. And the Tribute is one of my favorite places. Not just because the lake is close by, but also it has things like this walking trail that's in the middle of this neighborhood. We're coming up to a park and a pond with a water feature. It's got really great trails on the main strip for you to walk or run. It has 2 golf courses. There's also a clubhouse out here. I'm going to show you because these guys have the wrought iron fence. You can actually see that it's got an outdoor kitchen. There's a water feature that I hear. I don't know if you can see that right there, but there's a water feature right there. Could be part of a pool. Looks like it's part of a pool. So that's some of what you're going to see here. In fact, the neighbor is building a pool right now too. But that's what you're going to get with the Tribute. This is a golf cart community, so you'll see a lot of golf carts driving around. But again, you have the lake. The marina that is being built that should be finished sometime in 2022, and just an overall really nice neighborhood, quiet. They do a lot of events. You'll also see neighbors being neighbors, really, out maybe having barbecues and stuff like that with each other. And so it really is that community feel when you're out here at the Tribute. Okay, house number 1. I'll meet you over at house number 2. spot number 2. And this guy is 1.15. It is a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, 3-car garage. It's 38, almost 3,900 square feet. It's this guy right here, as you're going to see. Really nice. Again, I'm in the Tribute. Really nice entryway, little area to sit down. It says 3-car garage. It might be a tandem 3-car garage. But what makes this guy really special is the fact that the backyard does face out to the water. So all these houses along this one particular area here in the Tribute, all the backyards do face to the water. And we're going to go down. I'm going to show you where that is. But just to give you a quick look at what the neighborhood looks like. Again, you're going to see that the one thing I didn't point out, there's not like a whole lot of cars on the road. It's parked on the road. You'll see some scattered throughout here or there, but unlike a lot of other places in the colony, this one tends to have a lot less, people tend to park in their garage instead of on the street. So, but let's go look at the lake. Okay, so this is the back area of those houses. There's actually a brand new one being built right there. But as you can see, I hope, is that you'll notice that the backyards are all with wrought iron and that they have a view of the lake. And we're going to walk down there right now. There's this really nice trail. This is part of the nature trail here in the Tribute that does go around the peninsula. And part of it is concrete, part of it is gravel. And we're going to walk down so I can show you a better look at the lake. And again, as I said earlier, Tribute is actually one of my favorites. Stewart's another one, and we're going to talk about that another time. But Tribute is definitely one of my favorites in as far as communities here in the colony go. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn you around. We go right here, and as you can see in the back, there's houses lined all over there. And then this direction, you can see behind me the lake, Lake Louisville, and it does come all the way up. It actually goes further up north into Little Elm, another area that we will be talking about. And as you can see, these houses that line along the back here, turn around again, they have the view of the lake. They have this green area. These trees will definitely be blooming with lots of leaves on them, and it's just really nice green belt with access down to the lake area. So you can see, so if lake life is on your list, then you definitely want to check out the colony and the Tribute. There is definitely houses available now. I will also say the Tribute also has new construction happening, and there'll be a video on that. All right, guys, so those are the 2 homes right now that show you what $1 million can get you here in the colony. And if you have any questions about the colony, the Tribute, houses in general, what's for sale, what's the market doing, you know how to get a hold of me. Until next time, guys, I'll see you around the neighborhood.